Fuck yeah. All right, wide right. Like I said, we're doing best of 5 jokes. I got Jake Tupitza going first on this one. Put some energy in the room for these two.
So I found Logan kind of tough to write roast jokes about because, you know, we both have a very similar look, you know, very similar sense of fashion. Like, what can be said about Logan that can't also be said about me? Oh, I know. Your mustache is gay.
Are we really laughing at that, folks? Come on! What the fuck are we doing here? We're giving laughs for that. I don't think we look anything alike. I think I look fucking handsome and he looks autistic. Yeah, Jake's so autistic, he took the train derailment harder than the people that actually live there. Yeah, Jake's pro-trans, but that just means for the Continental Railroad.
Hey, we lost some good oil in that train derailment.
Vinyl chloride.
A lot of BTUs. You look like you take your job very seriously as an internet forum moderator.
Jake, you human fidget spinner. You look like you taught your pet snake how to hate women.
Logan is actually a history teacher by day. Yeah, this is who we got teaching our youth. But you look like the kind of history teacher that interjects his own opinions into the lesson, you know. Like, your textbook says 6 million, but
Jake Tupitza, you look like you helped school shooters proofread their manifestos. With the main tip being, hey buddy, put a little more emphasis on the Jews next time.
You look like an undercover cop with a not so undercover foot fetish.
I'm very proud of my foot fetish. Thank you for pointing that out. Jake, you look like the lead singer of a hyper-attentive alt-rock cover band. Blink 182 times in 1 minute. And if you don't like that one, then we'll call it Blinkin' Park.
Fuck yeah, wide right. Make some.
No. Okay.
Don't we have like 10 more?
Fuck you, Austin!
No, I'm sorry.
I was getting in the zone. Thank you very
I'm
much.
sorry, baby.
You almost made me forget my last joke. Logan, you look like you call your girlfriend dude. and you look like you say, "Oh, geez," when you come. As in, "Oh, geez, I made a mess. Hey, dude, get my loofah." She's in the other room. She's always in the other room.
No, I actually say, whoops, sorry about that. No, Jake Tupitza has actually been having a hard time with the ladies, in part because he identifies as a symmetrosexual, which just means that he can only climax after finishing a Rubik's Cube. Which would be a good time to say, oh, geez, sorry about that.
You know, I've never finished a Rubik's Cube before.
That was amazing.
I've got Logan Birkholz going first on overtime. Put some energy back in the room for these two.
Final round.
Jake is autistic.
Allegedly.
Jake's so autistic, he went to an Eminem concert because he thought he'd get to guess how many were in a jar.
look like the police sketch of a guy who got caught whacking it at Walgreens.
Fuck yeah. Right. Make it fucking loud for these two. Holy shit. You guys fucking did it right. That's for damn sure. Holy fuck. Let's check in. We got.
Yeah, I think I can speak for everybody in this room. That might be the best roast battle that's been here ever. That was fucking great. Fuck yes.
Fucking go.
Oh my god. I'm just glad to see some other guys that have never had a successful handshake with a black person. That's what I'm glad to see. Oh my god, wow. Oh my god. Tupitza, I'm glad you took a break from staring at your race car collection to come here. God, and then Logan, you look like you think Instagram is gay. Fuck. I don't even want to tell jokes to y'all because that was so impressive. I'm having such a hard time deciding on who won. I honestly don't even remember the jokes because I was laughing too hard. But god damn it. At the end of the day, I think I gotta give it to Jake just because I think Jake had more clever punchlines. But they were all clever as shit, and this is a hard choice to make. Holy cow! Wow.
We got one for Jake Tupitza, everybody.
That seems like autism solidarity right there.
This might be a stretch, but do you guys have another joke?
Yeah.
You got one more joke? Double overtime? Who wants to see some double overtime, huh?
All right, we're going double
Can we go-
overtime, everybody.
Wow.
I've got Jake going first in double overtime. Put some energy back in the room for these two.
Final round. Fight.
You look like you scalp tickets to junior ballet recitals.
You look like a math equation salesman.
Wide right, clap your hands one more time for these two.